is literally in my closet crying to be worn. And if you think I'm joking, listen to this. Okay, yeah, we gotta fix that. So I made it my goal to make a handmade wardrobe, but I haven't worn any of the clothes in my handmade wardrobe. I know, it doesn't make sense. But the weather is getting warmer, summer is just around the corner, and I'm determined to start wearing the things that I'm making. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful and they deserve to be admired by the general public. Some of these pieces might be old, some of them might be newer. It's really, you know, it's a free-for-all because I haven't worn any of them, you know? It's been a hot minute since I've done a styling video, so I think this is very long overdue. Please use this as some inspiration. If you have not worn the things that you've been making, maybe it's time we do something about that. We're addressing this problem together. All right, so let's go ahead and pull our first piece. This is going to be the perfect summer piece. It's got a half like open back. It's fun, it's spicy, she's got character. I think all my stuff has character, but she really has character. I have this skirt, which I think might pair nicely with this. We'll find out in a second, but I think it might pair nicely. You know what? I'm doing too much talking and I'm not doing enough wearing. I'm gonna try this on and then we'll take a look and see what it's actually giving. This is the first combination. I actually don't like this. I feel like it's giving corporate baddie, but like the TikTok version, you know, where the girls are wearing things that they definitely like can't wear to corporate. It's bland to me. I think it's a little bland and boring in not a cute way. Like there's casual and then I think there's this. I do kind of like the colors together. I think that part I'm not minding, but I don't like this skirt. I'm thinking of something I should put on with it, but I kind of don't want to put it on because I feel like that's so basic, but maybe I just need to put it on because I'm gonna wear it. So I'll be right back. Can you guess what the mystery item is? Ta-da, ta-da. Didn't give you a second to guess. Surprise, it's jeans. So maybe I should just do a pair of jeans with this. I feel like maybe that might be the better option. I'm gonna put on the gray jeans because I do like the gray with this color. Like I'm feeling this color palette. So let's put these on and then, ooh, I actually do think I have a pair of shoes to go with this now. Now that the juices in my brain are flowing. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. All right, I was just getting warmed up, y'all. Okay, this is much better. I have these really cute shoes that I got from Steve Madden. I literally love Steve Madden so much. I've spent a lot of money on like really expensive bougie shoes, and I always only ever reach for my Steve Maddens. Steve, I just want to thank you. You know, somebody send this to Steve. Thank you for being what the girls need. Oh my God, stop. This is so cute. This is so cute. Why didn't I put this on first? Okay, so you know, sometimes you just gotta stick with the basics. Stick with what you know works. You can't go branching out too far because when you start doing that, then you end up with like the first variation of this outfit. So this is the first outfit. I'm into really like baggier, more relaxed jeans. I don't like anything tight to my body. If it's a top, it's fine, but if it's bottoms, I like don't totally love that, which is really funny now that I put on the skirt that I put on first. But anyway, just forget about that. Forget about that skirt. These jeans, I believe I got them from H&M. My top, that is made by yours truly. And then I have these strappy Steve Madden little numbers just for like a little pop of color. I found this bag in Urban Outfitters, and I also put one of my little crochet charms on here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I keep turning around, so if it looks like I'm not looking at you guys, it's because I'm not. Well, one, because I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really like connect to the camera because I can't really see the camera, but I also have this like viewfinder thing off to the side, and then I need my mirror because this is the closest thing to me so I can best see my reflection here. So I'm gonna be turning around a lot. Apologies. I really like the back of this top. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I need to make so many more of this top. I love this so much. I need to try on some other stuff, but I'm really happy that like this is where we're starting off at because now I'm feeling pumped. I'm ready to go. Let's do the next outfit. This is the next top that I wanted to style, but I actually think I'm a little stumped on this. I don't know. I could really use your opinions on what you would pair this top with color wise, but then also just like item wise, like what type of bottoms do you think would look best? I'm just not totally sold on this, but I do like the top. I think the top is very cute. And once again, me and my open back tops. This one is fully open. Hello. Do I have any shoes that I don't hate? Oh, wait a minute. This might actually be kind of cute. Hold on. Okay, it's coming together. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yo, I figured it out. I guess I just needed a little bit of an eclectic vibe. I like this. You might hate it, but I like it. These sunglasses, I love them. They're from Meller. They have the like blue lenses. That's really cute. It's a vibe. My friend called them grandma glasses, and their opinion is invalid and negative. I love them. My Fillet crochet top, my blue jeans, and then I have on these cheetah print flats, pointy-toed of course, because that's the only type of flat that I wear. No, this is cute. Oh my gosh, the open back on this is just to die for. I'm gonna wear this to Whole Foods. Actually no, because I'm going on strike with Whole Foods. I don't like them. They've gotten rid of a lot of my vegan stuff, so I have beef with them. I'm gonna wear this to Trader Joe's, okay? Joe has never let me down. So this is the next pairing. One thing with me and skirts is that they're either going to be to the floor, maxi length, or they are going to be right up under the cheeks. I am going to have a pattern out so you can make one of your own in whatever length you so choose. I'm expecting it to be hot as hell this summer. So I have this very cute little teeny mini skirt, and I have this top on. I love this color. Green is my favorite color. And it's got like the little keyhole on the side, the asymmetrical flappy things. I really like that. And then I paired it with just like a pair of white sneakers because, you know, first outfit I had on some chunky heels, second outfit I had on some flats, so figured it was time to give the, you know, the sneakers their time in the limelight. But I think this is really cute. I mean, I don't know where I'm wearing this, but I would wear this just out and about, just anywhere. Okay, I'm going to the bank in this. This is my bank attire. They're gonna love me. Let me give you a closer look at this skirt because this is just too cute. And like I said, I will be having a pattern on this. So if you like it, stay tuned. Y'all, I was doing all this talking and I thought it was recording and it wasn't. But anywho, this top I made specifically because I had this skirt in my closet. I didn't want to get rid of it and I wasn't satisfied with any of the other stuff that I could have possibly paired it with. This skirt, I believe I got this from Zara. It is maxi length. This top is a Fillet crochet top. I will be having a tutorial on how to do a Fillet crochet top with the back. All of my other tops, I do like open back concepts. But you guys, some of you were mentioning that, you know, in the countries that you're in, you can't, you know, women, you can't wear open back tops. Maybe it's just, you know, not appropriate. So I'm working on making a tutorial so you guys can still take advantage and have fun of Fillet crochet, but also making sure that's a bit more modest. I also have on a pair of Steve Madden flats. Yes, we brought Steve Madden back again. He can't go anywhere. We ride at dawn for Steve Madden, which, did you guys know that he went to jail? Like, he was incarcerated and then he came out and then I think he made Steve Madden. I think. I don't know. I saw like a very short little snippet on TikTok, but you know, let that be a testament that regardless of what happens in life, you can always come back, okay? It is never too late to go after your dreams. It is never too late to make the most out of your life. Miss Medla, we like it, we love it. Does it get your stamp of approval? A thumbs up? Cool. So this is my last pairing. I decided to put on these overalls. I have on this Fillet bralette. I am going to have a tutorial up for this, so stay tuned. I have on these really cute, they look like flip-flops almost, but they have like a little baby heel on them. That's all I got. So may as well stay in this outfit. I'm also very hot. I'm very hot. It is very hot today, and I had to turn off my fan so you guys could hear me. That is it. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite outfit is. Let me know what you would wear, well, what you would wear this top with, but especially what you would wear that brown top with. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you thought it was fun. I hope you enjoyed seeing the things I've been making. And as I mentioned, I featured some things in this video that I will be having patterns and tutorials out for in the upcoming months. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Stay safe, take your vitamins, and tell Steve Madden to call me. Okay? Bye.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.